Hi, I'm Matt. Today we're here to show you the safe practice on how to assemble and disassemble a Roadmaster trailer mezzanine floor.
Safety first. The Roadmaster mezzanine floor system is safe and easy to use. Just obey all the safety and warning messages and you'll have trouble-free service. To the floor itself, let's start with a quick overview of how the floor is raised. Install all floor support diagonal chains. Raise the floor. Install hooks. Drop in the floor. Place additional floor support props. Then place these roof supports into place. Now, let's go through the process in a little more detail. Install the floor supports. Locking pins into holes of the props. Close floor support props. Ensure tension is held until locking pin is secure. Prepare the straps. Install chains into allocated chain slots. Raise the floor. Install hooks. Check for wear on the black wear pads regularly. If grooves are worn, then replace immediately. Install hooks and adjustable floor supports to the desired height setting. Install mezzanine floor supports. Install straps. And when strapping, remember, tension firmly but don't over tighten. There is also a second option available using chains and twitches. Consult with your Roadmaster rep about this option. Install roof support props. And again, remember they are under tension, so keep a firm hold. The floor is now ready to use. Disassembly is simply a reversal of this process. Thank you for choosing Roadmaster. We hope you found our training video comprehensive. However, please do remember, if you have any questions at all, reach out to us. We would be glad to help.